Hello everyone, this is a review on the Jelly Belly Dual Ice Snow Cone Maker. Now last year I reviewed the single maker. This year we're going to review the kind of the granddaddy of all Jelly Belly Snow Cone makers, the double. So we're going to see how this works and make a couple snow cones to see if this is maybe something that would be fun for your family in the summer, or I guess maybe if you like snow cones in the winter too. So let's see how it works. Okay, so this is where the ice goes in. And you can see it's kind of dripping right now, so I've made some snow cones. So be kind of careful in the placement. And what you do is you see right there, there's a tab. And that tab lines up with the tab right there. We're going to fill ice in here. We're going to turn it on and we're going to make some snow cones and see how this thing works. But first, we're going to look and see that unlike the single maker, this one actually has little tubs for dispensing your snow cone treat. So on one side I've got grape, and this is the grape, and the other side was the cherry. So it's kind of nice because you actually have the syrup dispenser right here in the unit, unlike last year's. Now also here you can see it has dual snow cone holders. So let's make some snow cones and see how it works. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually put ice on the top. We're then going to put the top on. Put in the two snow cones. And this is kind of a neat feature. You just simply twist. And then you turn back around. And you can see the ice. Now what I do is I typically do about halfway. Put in some syrup, put it back in, a little bit more, and there you have it, a nice little snow cone. I'll put a little bit more syrup in here, and that's a fun little treat. Okay, a couple final things. One is it doesn't really come with that many cups, so you're going to need more cups and possibly straws too. But other than that, it's a pretty good little deal. So my final verdict on the Jelly Belly Dual Snow Cone Maker, I'm going to give it actually 5 stars. I think it's a significant improvement over last year's model. It has a lot more power, it makes the snow cones are much easier to make, and actually I think the mess is quite a bit less too. So I like the syrup dispensers on each side, and the dual action, and you can just drop regular ice cubes in, and it seems to be safer and better built in the whole bit. So I'm going to give it 5 stars. It's quite an improvement from last year's model.